Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints. I'm going to show you all the tools you need when you are starting with 3D printing. The first thing that you need with building something, you need Allen keys. You have them in different sizes. The ones that you are usually getting inside of the DIY kits are the ones that you need. You need some screwdrivers, tools to cut some tie wraps. Like you saw in a video, I added a mirror on my 3D printer. And then you need to have some dovetail clips. They're very handy and will do the job pretty good. Don't put them like this on your building plate because it will mess up your nozzle, it will mess up your 3D prints, and that you don't want to have. When having bad adhesion, try to use this. This is a glue stick from Brit. These different brands, different kind of color, but they will do the job. When the 3D printing is done, you need to get it off. And there you use this spatula for. Be careful because the edges are very sharp. It can happen that the building plate is not working well, that the 3D printed object doesn't come off. Always try to use some of the points underneath the skirt or the brim that's around it and then try to remove it. In case of overhangs, you need to have decent support. So that means that when these supports need to be removed, you need some cutter tools. These ones I used quite a lot, but I can tell you it's not working. But this one I use quite a lot. It's very sharp, so these are very nice to have. When every support is cut away, you need files. When you're done with 3D printing and there are some lines left, then you can use the file and then file it away. That is very easy to do, but it costs a lot of time and work. If you are having some multiple part 3D print models, what can you expect? This is a thunder job that is not only in one part. I had to glue it. There are some glues that you can use. I use some power glue. These are very handy, but use it wisely. Then you get some models like this. Also, I didn't mention a caliper, not so important, but if you are using a 3D printer, you need to make sure that everything you print is the right size. That being said, thanks for watching. This was Zachary 3D Prints of this week. More videos are coming soon, and I hope to encourage you to start with 3D printing. It's a lot of fun. And hey, that being said, happy 3D printing and stay tuned. Bye bye.